Today I'm checking out the Rugking Pad Pro from Ulefone, and if you have seen my previous video, you know I already reviewed the earlier Rugking Pad, and this one is the newer version. So I have already unboxed it, and inside the box we get user manual and warranty card, charging instructions, 18-watt charging adapter, Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and a hand strap. And of course we also get heavy duty rotating tablet holder, which is very rare to see inside the box of tablet. The hand strap is actually very useful if you're holding the tablet for long hours. It gives you extra grip and security, especially on job sites. The tablet holder is strong and premium. It rotates up to 180 degrees and can be mounted to a desk, table or workstation. Once installed, it looks clean and professional. For business setups, warehouse or construction office, it is very practical. Since this is a rugged tablet, I tested the waterproof capability. I placed it underwater and it continued working without any issue. The display remained responsive and I was even able to record video underwater. That's the advantage of IP68 and IP69 protection. For engineers, construction workers or outdoor teams, this level of durability matters. Now let's talk about its body design. The Rugking Pad Pro looks solid right away. It weighs around 700 grams. So yes, it feels strong in the hand, but the body feels tough and durable. So you can drop it and it's not going to break it easily. On the side you get a power button that also works as a fingerprint sensor, which is very convenient. And there's a shortcut button and a Type-C charging port. And there's a SIM tray where you can also put the micro SD card, so you can expand the storage up to 2 TB. The overall build quality feels strong and reliable. It definitely gives the rugged and industrial feel. When I hold the tablet in my hand, it looks really nice. It has a 10.1-inch display with a resolution of 1280 by 800. It supports a 900 refresh rate and brightness goes up to around 600 nits. And the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla glass. Yes, the bezels are visible, but that's normal for a tough tablet because it needs extra protection. Even with that, the design still looks okay. The UI is clean and easy to use. It runs on Android 16 out of the box. The icons are big, which is practical, especially if you are working outdoors or even wearing gloves. You can customize the layout, switch between dark and light theme and adjust it according to your preference. Performance is powered by the UNISOC T7250 processor. It's an octa-core chip with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB internal storage. And you can also use virtual RAM expansion, and of course you can expand storage with a memory card. Scrolling feels smooth thanks to 90Hz refresh rate, and app switching is responsive. Watching YouTube video is also a good experience. You can stream up to 1080p smoothly. Inside this app you get tools like an altimeter, compass level meter, flashlight, magnifier, alarm bell and more. These tools are actually useful in industries like construction and field work. Now talk about the battery. This tablet comes with a massive 10,200 mAh battery. It supports 80-watt wire charging, dock charging and even reverse wire charging. Battery life is solid, so you can use it for long hours without worrying. This is the back camera, which is 48 megapixel with LED flash. On the front there's a 8 mega selfie camera and the video recording goes up to 1080p. So I tested the camera inside my room so you can see the real quality. The video quality looks clean and the photos are sharp. You can zoom while recording and taking pictures and everything works smoothly. Now I show you some camera samples so you can see the result yourself. I'm filming this video from the front camera of Rugking Pad 2 Pro. This is the result you get from the front camera at 1080p FHD. The camera is not ideal, but it's still not bad. You can still record some videos and share with your family. And this is the result in daylight. Not bad. Not bad. Now let me show you the back camera result from the Ulefone Rugking Pad 2 Pro. This is the result you get from the back camera. This is 1x. Okay, let me show you the view from this angle. Wow, this is 1x and this is 2x, and still you can zoom till 4x. Wow, not bad. And this video is recorded in FHD 1080p. Alright guys, that's my full review of the Rugking Pad 2 Pro. If you're planning to purchase a rugged tablet for work, construction sites or outdoor environments, this is a very strong option. It's durable, waterproof, has a big battery and solid performance for daily tasks. Please check out the link in the description and I will see you in the next one. Bye.